Hello everyone, this is day 31 and today I have practiced my day 8 challenge and you already know like I took 2 days off. We like my family and I went to the Rishikesh for small trip because it was Saturday Sunday, so we quickly planned go for a go for a mountain, like go for a quick tour. So we traveled to Rishikesh. So I think I shown you the both videos. So now let's talk about day 8 practice. So today I have practiced with the real life English. So experience is good because there is very small task again which I like most because uh, small tasks you can complete very easily. So uh, I saw one podcast video. Actually, it's a cut clip of a podcast video. So the video duration was only 2.5 minutes, and there are a couple of word also, and that topic particularly on the synopsis. So I had writing something on ChatGPT, and after that I take a correction note from ChatGPT. So first I want to show my writing and how the ChatGPT reply on that. So let's see my practice first, then we'll talk later. All right, so this is day 8 practice, and you can see like I try to write something which I learned from today's lesson. So these are my version of today's learning. Let me read quickly. So today I have done day 8 practice from the real life English. Today topic is on the synopsis. Basically, it's a podcast conversation. So yeah, this kind of practice I have done. Maybe you can, if you want to read, maybe you can pause and read. So yeah, these are the other things and feedback. So again I ask side by side correction. So you can see today actually I made a one mistake. So I write all the sentence in present tense, but it should be in past because yeah baat to sahi hai because we talking about the past tense. So definitely I learned this lesson today. So yeah, onwards, tomorrow onwards I will writing on in past tense. So this is the thing. So unfortunately like none of sentence correct, but koi baat nahi, it's a learning. But I want to show you one thing. What कहाँ गया कहाँ गया यार. Actually I like the feedback of that day. So feedback is uh, uh, you are on the right track, GS. You don't just study, you reflect and apply. That's what's make a difference. So I know that I need a practice because today I have done speaking practice also with the native speakers. But unfortunately, let me switch camera first. Along with that, like writing practice, on I have to do reading practice also, which I done after this. Maybe after this making this video, I will do the reading practice also. Speaking practice, I had a good conversation with 2 or 3 calls. So basically, this app allow you to talk to person only for 4 minutes, and I have good conversation with one Indian guy and another from the I think Afghanistan or somewhere. Mostly, it's connect. This app connects with the Asian people like Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and rarely you find really good people. But yeah, we all are learners, so it gives you confidence when you speak face to face to someone. So yeah, that's it about today, and होप आप लोग भी सीख रहे होंगे. कीप योर प्रैक्टिस एंड मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ द की. सो ठीक है, मिलते हैं कल के वीडियो में. अभी के लिए बाय बाय. बाय गाइस.